Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input types. And right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML input type of image. The HTML input type of image defines an image as a submit button. The path to the image is specified in the src attribute below. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's get back to our document. As you can see right here, we are having all these inputs right here. This one is input type of text. This one right here is password input, the submit input, reset input, radio input, checkbox input, button input, color input, date marks input, date mean input, date time local input, email input, and so on and so forth. So in our previous tutorial, we have discussed about this, and you can watch our HTML form playlist, or you can watch our HTML input types playlist also, just for you to follow along easily. So let's go and create another input type again. The input type we are creating right now is input type of image. But before we create that, yes, let's quickly write that out. Let's use image, input type of image. Let's save this and see how our document looks first. Can you see we're having this submit query? Definitely it's telling us that it is a submit button, so you can use this for submit. So now let's say for instance I want to change this thing, the value that is here right here, to another thing. We can just come here and write another attribute, which is you can just write click. Let's save it and reload. Can you see it automatically changed to click? When we click it, it will send us to somewhere. Definitely it's a submit button. Definitely this one represents a submit button also. Okay, we don't need this right here because we are not using it as a text, we are just using it as an image. So quickly we need to specify src attribute. Inside this src attribute, we will specify a picture, an image that we have right here at our home screen. Right here we are having sub.png. So quickly let us use the file sub.png. Let's save our document and see how it looks in our browser. Quickly let's reload. Can you see the image is big? It's very big. So I'm going to resize it so you can read in the screen. So quickly I'm going to use style attribute. We have discussed about this in our previous tutorial. This style attribute is for what? It's for styling using css. This is an inline styling. As you can see, this is our image you are seeing right here. It's not showing, so let's give it 70% so we can be able to see it clearly. Can you see we are able to see it gently? We are not able to see it very well. So let me give border around it. Let me give it border to pixel solid solid black. I'm going to use black here so you can see what I'm talking about. As you can see, here is our submit button. As you can see the way it looks. So actually this is a white background, that's why we are unable to see how it looks very well. So in our next tutorial, in our future tutorial, I'm still going to be showing you some clean pictures also, which we can use again if we don't want to use this picture. So let's now click submit. When we click our submit button, can you see it is working like a submit as well. So also don't you forget, anytime you specify anything like image, make sure you put your art attribute in case the image lost, so that you stand as your backup, so it will be your fallback. So that's what I want to show you guys right here. Please make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect. Let me make sure you see how this thing I use clearly. As you can see, even I'm not using all this name, I'm not using name and id right here. As you can see, so as you can see, this is so nice now. So I think I'm done for now. Anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next tutorial.